friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Trust you all are good. Today I'm going to be sharing how I used Afrobeat and a Yankee curl weave on to make a packing gel fringe on a kid. This can also be applied to an adult, so make sure you watch to the full so you grab the whole video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So I'll start with taking a small part of her hair and then using a thread to tie it. As you can see, I'm cutting a smaller part at the middle of the hair. This way the packing gel will be more relaxed and clean. Now I'm not going to dry the gel before fixing the weave on, because she's a child and she's scared of dryers, so I'm just going to do it like this so it comes out more relaxed and neat. So I'm going to tie this small part with a thread just to make it look more relaxed. After I'm done, I'm going to pack the rest of the hair together and then tie with a thread. Remember, I said I'm not going to use a hand dryer because I would have applied gel in the inner part, the smaller one inside, but I didn't use a dryer, so I'm just going to pack it like that. As you can see, the hair is looking relaxed already. So I'm going to tie it with a thread, and then when I'm done, I'm going to braid the two parts, the small hair, and then secure it with the thread and needle. Then I'm going to use thread and needle to hold it. Guys, remember, you can also do this on an adult. If you don't have money, you have an old weave on, instead of throwing it away, you can use it to do a low budget packing gel with a fringe and will still come out nice. Alright, so I'm going to braid the hair for the fringe. Just watch how I did it. If you've not watched my video on how to start a weaving or how to place your fingers, I'll leave a link of my video where I taught how to place your fingers or start a weaving on the screen, so you can click and watch it. Now I'm going to do what we call a zigzag weaving, and this is for the fringe. Remember guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much. Please subscribe, like and share my video. And when I'm done braiding the hair, I'm going to use needle and thread to hold the rest of the hair. Now when I'm done, I'm going to start with fixing the Yankee curl weave on the main hair. Before that, this is my Afrobeat weave on that I'm going to use for the fringe. Now I'm going to cut it into a smaller segment. Remember, before cutting it, you have to measure the hair to know the size of the braid for the fringe, then you cut according to the size of the braid. This will make the work easy for you. So I'm going to start fixing the ribbon with needle and thread. I'm doing that around the knot, very close to the knot, not on the knot immediately, but very close to the knot. And then I'm going to continue like that. So if you want the hair fuller, you can fold the ribbon into 4, but I folded it into 2 because she's a child. And I didn't put all the way on because it's going to be too heavy for her. So if you're doing this on an adult, you can put all the ribbon, that will come out finer, because it always looks good when the ribbon is fuller on an adult. So I'm just going to continue fixing round the knot. If you're looking for an easy style to do for your child, maybe for a graduation or party or something else, you have an old ribbon, you can just use it. Or you have a low budget ribbon, instead of thinking of what to do, you can use it to do a packing gel fringe for your child, and it's going to come out clean. So guys, now I'm done with fixing the ribbon. So I'm just going to flip it over and detangle it. After detangling it, I'm going to wrap it all around with a rubber ring so I can fix the fringe. So I'm fixing the fringe now. Remember guys, cut your ribbon for your fringe according to the length of your weaving. You measure it, hold it close to the hair, see the measurement before you cut it. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you find what I'm doing useful, please subscribe to my channel, like and share. I'm almost done fixing the fringe. I'm going to use her hair to cover the top of the ribbon. So I just applied cream on the hair, and I'm using my stretcher to stretch out the hair so it comes smooth and straight. So now I'm going to comb out the fringe and then trim it. I'm still going to trim it because it was too long, so I had to comb and trim until it became good. So now I'm going to use a black hairpin to hold the fringe while I apply the gel. Remember, I didn't use a dryer on her, so I had to apply the gel last so it doesn't spoil. or it doesn't look messy. So now I'm applying the gel for her. This is really a wig style for your baby girl, for her party, graduation, or any occasion. Even for Sunday services, for church, you feel like you want her to have a new look, you can quickly do this on her in the morning before. So now I'm going to use my brush to strengthen the curl and to make it look smooth. Now I'm using my smaller brush to strengthen it more. Now I'm going to use my thread to make the gel look more tight, not too tight so that she doesn't feel headache, but to hold the gel together so the hair looks nice. So when I'm done, I'm going to comb back the weave on and then the fringe. You have your packing gel with fringe. Very easy, guys, it doesn't take time. Now I'm combing out the hair. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share my video. Bye.